Ano, happy? Charles, how are you? Where are we?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Sorry pala kay Pam.
Kahapon na, pag atras namin sumasayad na eh. How is it? Spicy? Yung ano yung...
Pakita natin kayo. Kasi all baby.
It's a parrot.
Ito yung American Dream mo. Sa loob niya may mga roller coaster, mga snowboarding.
That you know, may yung car seat niya.
This is the Empire.
Pababa na sa tunnel yan, pero punta muna tayo sa Mitsuwa Market. Ito yung may ready sa train.
This is Japan, from Japan.
Oh!
Yeah,
Japan.
Yamanashi, Mount Fuji no side, ne? Back side.
Parang gusto ko to ah.
Okay. Kulang pa ba na ano?
Pag ito ayaw, yung 10 yung kukunin ko. Sige. Ano? Ayaw bukas. Dad, help. Stop videoing, help me.
They have a nice lapel.
Dad, help. Aray, Dad. Yes. Yes, yun. Paano mo nabuksan? Ayun, return capsule. Ito yung maabot ko yun. Pakita ko kay Mami. Bakit ba? Ha?
Bakit ba?
Nangyari?
Ilagay ko dito.
Saan patingin?
Galit si Dad, mahal daw.
$20 lang. Design ako na lang. Ilan ba gusto mo? I'll buy you.
Na.
Sige, halika.
Para mamaya. Pero mainit lang kasi.
Para sa babae. Movie to that, yung ano.
Daylight. Jollibee dito pag
What
ano,
else?
yung adobo rice.
Almost there. What ate? Ube pie? Kailangan talaga happy-happy. There you go!
Yuki, look, 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 look.
Nice.
Halik tayo.
Oo, alam niyang rumispeto sa lupa.
Oh, si Kuya, oh, maskulado. Oh. Ayun, ang boxy pala. Oh.
Yeah, dyan yun.
Sabi niya, dun sa bata, hi baby.
I don't want.
Times Square. Ayan na yun. Menarik kan? other side. Wave, wave, wave. Alright. Okay, thank you. It's Pride Month. Your house where?
In papaya.
Papaya? Where's that at?
Which country is that? It's papaya. It's just a name of town.
Oh.
Yes, my house have papaya wawa.
Ah.
Yes,
You got a doggy?
I don't have a doggy.
Nothing.
Your neighbor have it, right?
But my neighbors have some doggies and cats.
Huh? What's the doggy
And
name?
lots of doggies.
You want a doggy?
Because they're cute.
What you gonna name your doggy?
Maybe my friend cute dog.
Ah, yeah? Name your doggy Kimba.
Kimba.
Yeah.
Kemba.
Kimba.
What's the meaning of Kimba?
Kemba is a dog.
It's got a dog. You okay?
Chips.
Hmm?
Do you have some chips?
Do I have some what?
Chips?
Chips? No, I don't. Want to go?
It's the Amazon store. I don't know how to operate. So there's a chip in
Oh,
there.
must be closed.
Ah, okay, we'll check it out.
Yeah.
But mommy and Papa get some chips.
We'll wait out there. We'll wait if they have a chips. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Don't be afraid.
Bawal. Baka mahuli pa tayo.
Look at the buildings.
George Washington Bridge.
Not that one. Monster breaking a bridge. Oh, monster! It's breaking a bridge.
Wag na, wag na, wag na. Kita.
Nahiya.
Kain na tayo, nahiya na.
Kain na, kain na.
Kain na. Ate, may gloves ka na? Since nakabuka ka, dapat nakaganyan ka kasi may bukang ka ka. Yarn! Yarn! Baka kita yung aking muscles. Haba ng legs yan. Yan, ganyan. Oh my God! Yan! Sabay-sabay ba kami tumalo?
Try ulit.
Ay, ayan. Hinihinap ng 3 volyo. Ano tayo, man? Munting na ako nalaglag. Kunyari, nahulog pala yung isa. Tapos nahulog. Influencers. Ng MCU. MCU. Details of MCU.
Nagkakanding na video?
Nagkakalit video ba kayo?
May reels na kami ng reels. Ano yan? Yearbook namin yan. Yearbook namin 3. Kami lang.
natin makita yung ano na. Brooklyn Bridge. Pero hindi tayo maglakad.
Puro Pinoy.
Hindi lahat.
Hindi mga kainan ano.
Yeah, hindi diretso mo doon. Kasi ito Hoboken, Jersey City. Ito yung Manila Ave. So, nothing. Sige, inaakyat yung sa baba. Sa baba, sa taas nito. Sa taas.
LED na siya.
Lagyan na yung LED.
Kasi ano yan, dilaw yun dati. Kahit sa mga pictures.
Yan yung nalalakad.
Dito sa ano,
Isa taas.
Sa taas.
sa gitna.
Gitna niya.
LED. This is proof. Naglalakad pa ba? Sinada na na.
Naanuhan siya ng taxi, nilawan na nga siya para magising. Antay natin. Umungan na yung pangatlo.
Ingat ka din, mahal, kasi ang mga bata.
Sumemplang siya.
Ayun na.
Baka pagtapat natin, tsaka siya dumit sa atin.
Kaya may naginindi.
Eh no? At atay natin matulin.
Ingat ka.
Yeah. Tinitingnan ko tayo dyan. Punta siya dito sa Rizal.
Punta na sa direksyon sa ano ba yun?
Hindi, lumiko ulit. Kawaliwa.
That's a tanker.
Yeah.
Not a big tanker.
It's how hot. Thank you so much, baby. Yes.
Hold high.
It's fixed. It's only for display. Let's find it. Look at the fish.
Oh, this is tiny, tiny and big.
A big one. Let's go inside.
Yeah.
This way, Annie. Come here. Yeah. Come here.
Nakita mo yun, no? Nakita mo, masushoot ka dyan.
Under 18 must be accompanied.
Morning.
That's a sunset.
Yes, I know. No shopping, Charles. No diving.
Mainit.
No dive. Wow.
Ayan na yung big waves.
I want to pilot.
I'm waiting for a big wave to wash this, whatever that is.
Dito yung nasarapan dito yung mga
houses na ganito.
Victorian dito.
Din kasi ako nun sa practice ko.
Victorian houses nila dito. Nandito lang yung mga Victorian
Ayan, oh, ang
houses.
ganda ng blue. Daddy, ayan, oh, tignan mo na.
Video na lang yung mga Victorian.
Ay, sorry, ayan na pala. Binibigyan na.
May mga Victorian houses dito sa
Ang ganda. Anak, tingnan mo. It's very nice. Ate,
Lagay mo mahal sa ano mo. Baka may iiyak.
ano kain ka ng candy para magising ka? Para may, baka, ay, yes na. Bigyan mo rin si Ruki yung, ano, yung galing sa bag. No, may bibig.
Gusto niya yung how-how na binigyan.
klase yung mga mix na ano, di ba nakakaiba?
Yung
Hindi ko pa na-try.
hawhaw?
Hindi yung isa, yung pinip.
Yung hawhaw masarap.
Meron din siya.
Yung downtown nila dito.
Balik mo pabagan. Dad.
Yeah. Ito iniimbes. Mga big, mga Victorian houses nila.
Ang dami
Ano
na
lang
spend
dito,
ng
mga kahoy.
special talaga yung mga houses.
Mga kahoy lang dito. Doon puro bato.
Napamintain
Ginagandahan talaga nila.
Victorian.
Kung sa atin yung Capiz Hills naman yung Spanish house.
Ay,
Ganyan lang.
tapos ganyan ang view mo. Diyos ko, kahit tubig lang.
Pwede tayo gusto mo mag-ikot. Pa-park lang ako doon.
O dito pa mas payat.
So, lakad tayo dito dahil.
Mag-ano, park.
Mapaikot lang din.
Tapos naka-appreciate din si Chelsea fa.
Bibidyo yata siya.
Ganda.
Eh, gusto daw ni...
Oh, yung view.
Gusto daw ni Che ni ano eh.
Barbie house.
Barbie house, oh.
Yes, dito.
It's different color. Baka i-art.
Wala kang makitang pa.
Kandila? Imposible ako naman magugusto na kandila. Si Rachel lang mahilig sa ganito eh.
No, the picture.
Lucky.
Let ate put the thing on the phone.
Kasugat na ako.
Mataan sila.
Mas niyan.
Natin na mo. Matching sugat sa matching crab.
Oo, palit nga tayo. Akin na lang si Luke. Mas mabait yan na kapatid. Akin na si Luke.
Mabait pa ng kapatid na.
Wala. Asin na lang ang kulang. Ha. Champion, Salt Bay.
Sulat ka ha.
Yeah, so you smell cells.
Wala na yung ano natin, taga-bigay ng shots.
Ikaw na ngayon ang ano nito.
Che, ikaw na lang gumawa.
Okay na dito ba, Chebam?
Huwag ka lang matulog, ha?
Okay na dito. Yung entrance.
Okay lang dito, okay lang dito.
Bye, sis.
Di ba tayo nakain?
Maya!
Hoy! Hoy, tita.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ay, teka lang. Waiting na. Oh, okay. Ingat.
Talagaan niyo yung mga asawa niyo. Talagaan niyo yung mga asawa niyo.
Iyak.
Hoy, alam mo yan si Che.
Aba.
Where to, man?
Tell natin mamaya sa
Akin na to. Ito eh.
Ayan na yan.
Bye, Tita Chema. Ayan na. Ala, nidishin nyo. Bye, Tita.
Kinuha nga daw niya yung dulo. Para daw pag doon siya hihiga. Order siya ng wine. Tulog daw siya.
Ayan na, wala na.
See you after couple of years daw.
Hindi, ano oras ba yung flight niya? 9:15, di ba?
Bye, Tita Che.
Hmm?
Bye, Tita Che. Bye.
Bring Belgian beer.
Bring chocolate.
Ay, nakuli ka na, daddy.
Sumisipol.
Oh, daddy, palit na kayo.
Ah, Turkey yun?
Oh? Ay, sorry. Grabe bendisyon sa sapatos ni Libo.
So you know a rainbow is a circle?
Really?
Yes. It's a circle, a big rainbow.
Baka hindi siya circle na.
And it's a circle.
Where?
Parang double rainbow pa
It's a
yata.
circle.
Looky, what's the color of the rainbow?
Everything.
Oh, there, look you. Okay.
Green ba?
Oh, come on, let's go get this one. What's that? Wow! Ang galing!
Okay, give me it. Have it, please.
You give it to
You share,
Kuya,
you
so-
share.
Ochi, walang kahirap.
Yeah, very sweet. What else do you see?
Doon ka lumipat din sa bata.
You wait for ate.
Wait for me, Let's go!
Oh, come on.
Yes, sir! Dito tayo. Number 5.
You sit in the middle. dito.
You like it?
Did you fire the fire?
Cookie.
It's not changing spots.
That's nice.
Just hold, just hold. Wala silang kasamang matanda eh. Kaya kayong dalawa. Ang bilis.
You're right now, you're right. You're right.
Hold, hold. Hold tight. Tama. Okay?
Daddy, tingnan mo, ang ganda.
Ito nag-picture ka.
Oh my God.
Look ate. Eid Mubarak!
Look at the kite is moving. A kite is moving on itself. Oh yeah. I see him!
Don't push kuya, don't push.
Para lang ako nasa Middle East lang.
Funnel cake! Favorite ni ate.
Pag nasa labas kayo, nakakadakot ka na. Mga beer.
Nakagaan.
So malapit lang yung World Trade sa battery.
Yeah. Yeah, nandito ka na sa Wall Street eh. Dito na yung pool na nakagano na pool.
Oo. May tapit. Oo, Chinatown pero tapat ako ng
Yun yung parang end street nila na fight na na
kay Jackie Chan.
Kung sila. Galing sila sa Madison Square Garden siguro.
Ano, concert?
Concert or game? Na
Sila
game.
oh. Sa mga wrist nila.
May nagbebenta pa eh.
Green.
Oh.
May concert.
May concert siguro.
It doesn't look very good. I will say that. It's helpful if you can't remember the lyrics.
Ano yan?
Hi! We did the best score 2 times, I think.
Ate, I used this one.
Good job!
We're going faster. We're going a million, thousand.
I might go to jail if...
Let's go.
20 pesos last week. Cash was fixed lang yun.
Look at the squirrel.
Another one. Ano lang.
And one more tower. That's State Tower. And another State Tower. I think that's a dog. That's a cute.
Galing naman ni Charles. Hindi ako na bala. Ay, mo. Mga matang din ko. Ayan oh. Inispatan tayo. Sniper oh. Dalawa. Ano yan? Palit yan. Palit yan. Palit duty yan. Nakabag na eh. Ang daming telescope. Ang daming nakaano.
Ano tayo? Dito ko papakita ko sa inyo.
May lubang hinirak dito. May lubang hinirak sa White House. Yeah, man. Ikaw. Kamay. Bigyan mo ng dollar. Dollar. $2. Ano yan? Gimmick yan. Hey! It's the Philippine National Anthem. Come!
Welcome to the White House capital. Washington, D.C.
Oh, Andre! Marunong din. Will do, definitely. Yeah, thank you. We will. I'll tag you. Maru. pang hinihirit eh. Wag flag racing tsaka Andrew eh.
Look up!
Oh my god. How about that? Oh my god. Wow. There's a spinning. Spinning light. There's a bigger one.
Come on, go! Go
And
inside!
there's an airplane. I just need there.
Look up!
Oh my god. How about that? Oh my god. Wow. There's a spinning. Spinning light. There's a bigger one.
Come on, go! Go
And
inside!
there's an airplane. I just need there.
Charles, look at me.
Hi, Tito.
Hi Charles! Smile! Smile!
Bye.
Oh, baggage! With a dog!
Dog. Oh, there's a puppy. There's a dead puppy.
It was a lot more comfortable back.
Whoa! This is so cool. Oh, typewriter! And that's it. That's all? That's it.
Nothing hanging and
Oh, my CR!
I'll go first.
here to the bathroom.
Go daw si daddy muna.
Dito, dito.
Daddy.
Picture tayo doon, dali. Picture tayo dito.
Daddy.
Picture dito.
You can hear it.
I can hear it.
I'm gonna crash this plane.
Halika dito. Dito, dito. Pamigay ko na ng pangpawin mo? O hindi ka upo? Upo ka.
Catch the firefly! Aya!
I grab it! Oh, my mermaid!
62 years old. Nagtuturuan sila ng Tagalog sa sasakyan. Nakatawa si Pam eh. Tinuturuan ko mag-Tagalog si Aba.
Yeah, before you complain, no, because a lot of people cook and this is your own one for you.
Charles, stop eating first.
It's your own one.
Mapapagod to. Buti nasa mood. Oh, you doing that? Oh.
Can you see?
Ay, daddy naman to. Okay, wait for that. Hold ka. Hold ka sa kanya. Ay, mama. Did you know there's apparently a Filipino restaurant bar thingy called like Buco Resto? I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, it's somewhere in like Norfolk, Virginia. I don't know. And they also have like a weird restaurant thingy in like the Virginia Beach called Chicken something. Apparently it's really good. There's a bar too. I think there's karaoke or something. I don't know.
They sing like the song.
They
Broken.
sing like broken-hearted drunkards, to be honest. High five! Give me my $5.
Palakpakan.
Sissy?
Palakpakan sa...
That has poop in it.
So annoying!
This boy made an idea of keeping it.
No, binili ni ano yun, ni Haki. Niregalo sa akin sa UK. Tito Haki. Tito Haki, Hakowitz. Haki. Ate. Ate. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung ticket nyo, tsaka ano.
Ang dami yan.
So, total is $317.91.
Oh, 317.
And I'm going to give her $2.09 for your change. $2.09.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Japan daw Ayun ko lang na-notice. Nakaka-happy. Yung kachat ko minsan kasama si David. Enjoy si Dad. To say the least. Okay na, okay mo?
Malaking store nila dito. Doon halos isara siya sa ano. Meron din yan sa dati sa Adventure HQ.
Okay, go. Crazy pose. Do a crazy pose. I want Ben and Jerry's father.
Isa na lang dito. Pupo tayo dyan. Tapos back mo yung malaking bandera. Yeah.
Dad, that's how you can land the airplane.
Yeah, now it's moving here. It's a green car.
Dad, you missed the helicopter and the plane.
Yeah, see?
There's the helicopter and the
Hey, and then
plane.
there's another plane.
Magalaw ba to? Naibiro lang ako.
Moving siya, te.
There's another one.
Yeah, see? The car is moving.
Oh my God. Oh, I don't believe this car just transformed up. How I float. Because he said these new tires to not sink and float. It's floating. A car is floating because of the new tires. Oh my God. Oh, I don't buy that thing. I don't buy that.
Okay, we'll buy that.
Say hi. Hi.
Ayan, pabalik-balik lang siya. Oh.
Ano na pala itong baba?
Oh, moving yan eh. Naka-float siya mismo.
Say bye to the car.
Bye. Get me up. Mommy, I'm at the window floating.
Ano yan, Charles?
A car is floating because of new tires.
Oh.
I don't buy that thing. I don't buy that.
Okay, we'll buy that.
Buy that. Okay. Say hi. To the car.
Bye. Get me up. Mommy, I'm at the window.
Isang wide, isang tele. Dalawang body.
Asa dalawang body lagi dala mo?
Oh, meron akong R3.
5 stars.
Oh, okay. Show your daddy. Come on, go.
Let's go.
Go, go.
Kami, laki ng tsinelas mo. Saan? Walk. Oh, tapang tumalon. Tumakbo pag pag ikaw nadapa dyan at di kita makahabol dyan. Slowly. Oh. Pag nadapa ka dyan eh, malalim din yan. Yun ang hindi. Where's the sunset? No, no.
Look at the fish.
Okay, you have fish?
Super deep.
High tide.
That's the sunset.
Found nothing.
Ay, mababasa siya oh.
What is that?
Huh?
Up there.
Don't bang it. You have
I'm so scared. Guard, I'm so scared, Dad.
Huh?
I'm so scared of snakes.
Asan yung snake?
And the stars.
In the stairs? Careful with the snake, okay?
This is that snake.
you show your dad, ha?
Dad, do you like snakes?
No.
There's a snake.
I don't like snakes.
Stars.
Ang dami na dito. Doon sa labas sa sanga.
Drive pala dito para Pilipinas eh. Sila dilim.
Kadilim.
Ha? May
Oh, pag gabi, walang traffic eh.
Philippines.
It's not.
Oh, really?
Philippines is far away.
Oh, how far it is?
1,000.
Thank you. Lagi ako may babaan sa kids. Diba?
Oh my. Yan na, puro ano na, cellphone na.
Madam.
Bye.
Bye.
Maintenance mo. Inumin mo. Ay, kabait ka. Bye-bye.
Pwede ba ako pumasok doon?
Don't touch anything. That's glass. Okay. Sorry na. Distract ka ulit ng YouTube.
I need my biscuit
Si
back.
Mami, napa-attract na ng kanyang mahal.
You said cook.
Let me cook.
I heard you game.
Cute yung dalawa.
Banana, 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 banana.
Show me, show me. That's Minion?
Yeah.
Give the banana to